Back to Code Pass. It has been a while since I, last posted a video. I've been quite busy with work. Work has been, really stressful, but I'm super thrilled to be back with something exciting for you. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a fantastic Golang CLI tool called GoEasyCLI, a little project I cooked up with my colleague Emmanuel Hini. Whether you are a coding newbie, still, trying to figure out why your hello world keeps saying goodbye instead, or you are a seasoned pro who can debug your code in sleep, GoEasyCLI is here to level up your game. We are talking about APIs and libraries built with the ease of, ordering your favorite takeout. Well, let me just tell you a quick gist about this whole GoEasyCLI, how it all came about. The whole reason this tool exists is because I wanted to help my girlfriend navigate the coding jungle without losing her mind, talk about relationship goals. Am I right? But hey, it turns out so well that I just had to, share it with all of you. And oh, it is open source. Ta-da! Yes, as you can see over here, the source code is available on GitHub. And we welcome contributions, small or big, to improve this CLI project. So feel free, make that pull request. If you see a typo, anything at all, and you want to contribute to this, we are open to all contributions. Yeah. Are you ready to supercharge your Golang development experience? If you are like me, yeah, so GoEasyCLI is your development companion that would, automate routine tasks in Go project. It's developed to handle everything from project scaffolding to making project initialization a breeze, by letting you, focus on what matters most. That is writing great code. So whether you are building APIs or libraries, GoEasyCLI set up your project structure with industry standard practices, including, organizing directory structures, middleware configuration, routing setup, CI/CD, for, deployment from GitHub. Also, we have some workflows configured for libraries, and also your project. So if you are building libraries, it can run the versioning for you without you having to do all the versionings. So you can just do the how you want the versioning to be, and it set up all the essential, project files. So we have Docker, anything at all that will make your life easy. We've actually packaged this in this GoEasyCLI. So we have a very good README about this project. You can see all the prerequisites and all the necessary stuff you need to, look out for when trying to run your GoEasyCLI. And then, starting a project. Like I said, this we have newbies or beginners and pros in mind. So this makes your work really easy. And currently, the framework support a couple of Go frameworks. We have Gin, Fiber, and Echo. We are looking at expanding this to other Go frameworks out there. And we also have a Postman collection of some test, endpoints. We have a CRUD application embedded in the CLI too. So this will bootstrap that for you, and you can run this. You can start building your API within a second. So we also have the various structures that we will explain into details in the next video. So yeah, basically this is something I've been working on with my colleague Emmanuel, and we hope you enjoy this demo, this CLI tool, and using it in your workflow. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video on how to set up GoEasyCLI, and I will also walk you through how to start a project, etc. All right, that is it for this video, and bye bye.